A question that keeps on coming up is this laser treatment? And the answer is no. And let's talk about laser treatment, at least in our experience. Our periodontist in our practice, Dr. Furtado, is trained in laser treatment, and he wanted to bring laser treatment into our office. So we used it, and we used it in conjunction with dental endoscopy. So let's talk about dental endoscopy or periodontal endoscopy. The whole purpose of that is for the hygienist to see the root surface and get the deposits, the calculus deposits off of the root surface. So that's the whole idea, visualization below the gum line so that she or he, if it's a male hygienist, can get onto the root surface and get the root surface clean. And that's what we've been using and improving upon that over the past 26 years. So we worked then with the laser. And essentially what we did was to begin the initial laser pass, which would be done by our periodontist. And then the hygienist would go in and clean the root surface. And then our periodontist would then finish up the laser procedure. Okay, and so we had then the opportunity of working with that and comparing it to the results that we had before. And we're talking about the results in our practice, of course, only. And here's what we found. By using the laser into the pocket, it created bleeding within the pocket. Now understand, if the hygienist is trying to visualize what's going on, blood gets in the way. And while there is a system within the endoscope which uses a lavage or squirts water into the pocket to help clean the area out, now you're adding one more variable, and that's the redness, the blood. And so it makes it more difficult to see. And so the hygienist found more difficulty using the laser. We then used the laser over a period of time, about a year, and then compared the results. And at least I can only comment on our practice, and we saw no particular improvement. We certainly had hygienists who were happy when we didn't use the laser because they were able to see better and they were able to do their work better. That being said, laser therapy may be very good. We haven't tested laser therapy as an adjunct with, at least in the literature that I'm aware of, with periodontal endoscopy. Our whole thing is root cleanliness. But there are many people who are using the laser who are also using the endoscope. The laser to get the benefits of the laser, and the endoscope to allow the hygienist to get the root surface totally clean. And so the laser can be used as an adjunct if you favor laser therapy. Nothing wrong with that. Our whole thing is to make sure we're getting onto the root surface and getting the root surface clean. And that's done via endoscopy. The endoscopy allows the hygienist to see the deposits on the root surface. And then adding on to that is 24% EDTA gel, because there's always microislands of calculus that are left. And by using the EDTA gel along a clean root surface, that cleans it even more and takes care of the bulk of the microislands that remain. Thank you for your questions. I think these questions are good. And if there are other questions come up, just put them in the comments section and I'll try to address them.